Have you ever created a gorgeous AI character you fell in love with, only to generate her again in a new scene and she comes back looking like her distant cousin? Yeah, same hair maybe, but suddenly new face, new features, new vibes. It's one of the biggest frustrations for storytellers, comic creators, brand designers, and AI influencers. Until now, it was a creative dead end. But what if there was a way to bring that same character back again? Leonardo AI just made that possible. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, so you can create consistent characters across any scene you imagine. Now, imagine this for a second. A visual story where your hero doesn't morph from panel to panel. A digital influencer you can monetize without showing your real face. A mascot for your brand that your audience recognizes instantly. People are already making thousands of dollars monthly doing exactly this. Selling prints, building fan accounts, running faceless influencer brands, and illustrating comics, all powered by consistent AI characters. What used to be impossible or incredibly tedious is now easy. And Leonardo AI is leading the charge with insanely powerful updates. Today, I'll walk you through the 3 main methods you can start using right now, from free to advanced, to create the same character across scenes like a pro. We're starting with the simplest technique, and it costs 0 extra tokens. Step 1. Create your base character. First, head into Leonardo AI, image generation. Before you generate anything, you need a solid character prompt. This is your blueprint, the DNA of your character. Example prompt. A fitted-bodied 28-year-old black woman with long 4A natural hair, expressive blue eyes, plumpy and beautiful lips, a sprinkle of freckles across her nose, and a slight dimple when she smiles. Be very descriptive. The more detail you give, the easier it is to maintain consistency later. And if writing descriptions stresses you out, ChatGPT can help you craft them instantly. Step 2. Model and settings. Paste your prompt, then choose these options. Model preset Flux Dev, or your preferred model. Prompt enhancer, auto. Style portrait, aspect ratio 2:3. Hit generate. Now you've got your base character. Step 3. Lock in the seed. Every image has a unique seed. Think of it like its DNA code. To copy it, click the 3 dots on your favorite generated image. Select Copy Seed. Then, go to Advanced Settings. Turn on Use Fixed Seed. Paste the seed you copied. Now, when you want to place that same character in a new environment, just use this prompt format. Base description plus new scene. Example. A fitted-bodied 28-year-old black woman with long natural hair, standing by the roadside buying groceries. Hit generate and boom! Leonardo recreates your character with recognizable accuracy in a brand new setting. Is it always a 1-to-1 perfect match? Not every time, but for a free method, it works surprisingly well and keeps her identity intact. If you're serious about long-term characters for comics, brands, or AI influencers, this one is gold. It's the method that virtual AI influencers are using to earn their sponsorships. Step 1. Switch off your fixed seed. You won't need it for this method. Step 2. Select a compatible model. Head to the Model Project menu and choose Phoenix. Phoenix is their newest model built specifically for character and style consistency. Not all models support character reference, but Phoenix does. Step 3. Upload your reference next to your prompt field look for the image icon, select character reference. You can upload an image from your device or choose one from your previously generated creations in Leonardo. Once selected, hit confirm. Step 4. Adjust reference strength. You'll see a strength slider. Set it to high. This tells Leonardo to closely match the face, hair, and overall identity. Now, type any scene you want. She's walking into a futuristic marketplace at night. Generate and watch your same character come back to life in a brand new world. This method gives you much higher accuracy compared to fixed seeds, and it's perfect for storytelling, brand avatars, and social media characters. There's one more ultra-advanced method: training your own character model inside Leonardo. This is for people building long-term projects like comics, animated stories, or branded influencers. We won't dive into that here, but just know, once trained, your character becomes reusable forever across any prompt, style, or angle. Here's how creators are already using this. A creator on TikTok built a virtual AI model using character consistency on Leonardo. She posts fashion photos, brand collabs, and lifestyle content, and people have no idea she's 100% AI generated. Result: she now earns from sponsorships and digital product sales without ever showing her face. That's the power of character consistency. So now you've got the tools: free seed-based consistency, paid character reference for high accuracy, and the path to full AI model training. If you want me to create a full series on AI influencers, comic storytelling with consistent characters, grand mascots using Leonardo, or training a custom model from scratch, just drop a comment or hit follow and I'll make it happen. Until then, dive into Leonardo AI and bring your characters to life consistently, beautifully, and on your own terms.